going, guys? This is Sellers Training. I'm playing zombies. This will be a late. This will be a late video, I know, but still. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Shoot! Oh god! Shoot! This is gonna be hard. Things are very hard to deal with. Got it. Okay. Everybody leave me! I don't want to be alone! Oh, come on! I was about to get a box! Wait. Oh, these guys are tanks! Oh, get a shot. Get a shot recording. Oh, man. Yes, the fair enough. Whew. Okay, I'm just gonna do one round of this and show you to it all. I know this is gonna be really quick, but still, it really takes our time. I need the knife. Okay, what was that? Okay. Come on, die. Good, everyone's healed. Halfway, anyway. Hey, I'm full health. Cool. Yeah, sorry about that. It's just that I just wanted to do this real quickly because I don't have that much memory space in here. And so... today has been a long day. A long day. I forgot to say, drop... no, that's for the ending. Sorry. Just that. So many things happen. So many wonderful things happen. Oh no. I got it. What did just die? How many of these? Oh god! Oh god! That's a whole lot. I'm telling you, I'll remember you. Not very effectively. Oh, that's bad. I gotta tell them this. Alright, this guy's almost up. And come here, you frickin'! Come here. Help! Oh god. I'm gonna hide. Oh, you gotta be taking me! Oh god. Die! Wait, let's solve what up our needs to electricity. No. Yes. That took forever. Oh, geez. Oh god, soup! 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 Oh, geez. Maybe something else. Something else that's good. Come on, I only got 3 minutes up. Alright, then I'll go check. I wonder what the heck hell did they have in here. No, I do not want to go to the plane. Money? Seriously? Come on, guys. Screw this, I'm getting in. Get in, guys. There's nothing here. Oh, at least we got a loot box, which is always great. Come on, you dick. I forget how multiplayer can be such an ass. Finally! Is that everyone? Oh god, don't tell me we're crashed. Don't tell me we're crashed. We just fought the boss. Come on. Let's get out of here. Who else is missing? Who else is missing? Come on! Who else? Okay, come on, guys. I wanna beat this. Come on, guys. I'm gonna beat this. Thanks. Oh, we just left one guy. We just left one guy. Okay. Hey, I got second place. I got no deaths and level 13. Yes. Let's check what we got. Ooh, boots. Is it better? These things are way better. Keep. Continue. That's it. A shotgun! And it's fire. Hails to the keep! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, yes, yes.
Okay, so here's what's going on. This guy just invaded me and he's not prepared at all. He should have scouted me.
Oh my god. That's... You have no idea how rare it is to get a shotgun. Especially an elemental shotgun. Elements are so rare to find these days. Like, how do I explain this? It's like you have to get it in a rare loot or find them out in another place, but or get them from an extremely valuable boss, which is freaking awesome. And no, please do not support this. But still, this is freaking awesome. Getting this bad boy in. That's capacity of 10. Should I do... What's the best thing? Alright then. Here. And this one. I don't got all day. It's here. And I'll upgrade this one. But this one right here will be... Oh, I don't got enough money. Well then. That's okay. Oh, I got an idea. I said weapons. Okay, a weapons part will be okay. Switch this to this, and switch to this one. This one. So that's all the okay. This one. Yeah, so I got all of these. I got this pistol. You start out with the pistol. You get this one. This is how you start with your assault rifle. Then this one to this, to this, to this, to this one, and a rocket launcher. Which is amazing that I got this shotgun. Oh, I'm gonna test that out for next episode. Oh yeah, not this one. Okay. I have to go. Alright, drop a like, subscribe, and hope you will like this because I'm going to make more videos of this zombie game, which is so badass. And if you want to support the channel, please do because I got no one with me. There's only 2 people that subscribe. If you really like this video, please subscribe and leave a like and comment. I will really answer it as much as I can. I will literally be afraid since this is my starting channel and all. So I have to go. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. This is Alex trying to sign off.